Hi, Sandra here from Create in Spain. Yesterday I made myself a fuchsia stamp, so I decided to use it today for a couple of cards. So I'm inking it up now with a light grey ink because I don't want any harsh lines. I want it to be pretty much invisible when they're stamped. So I'm stamping it starting at the bottom left side of the card. And I'm going to repeat that a couple of times so that the whole of the left side has got fuchsias on it. I will be linking the file design for the fuchsias down below. So now I'm picking out some markers. Now these are Carioca children's felt tips. Now I've finished with my inking up and I'm going to do some stamping with an ink blot stamp in some very pale colours and then work up to some deeper colours, and if they're too deep then I simply spritz the stamp before using it. I'm going to put this from the bottom all the way up the right hand side of the card. So these are the two finished cards that I did. The one on the left I actually did with Sakura watercolour brush pens and also some from Lidl that I had previously. And on the one on the left hand side I used embossing powder from Wow in Platinum to do the stamping on the right hand side. I finished that one off with some sequins. The one on the right hand side I just finished off with a few dots with a silver Signo pen. One of course is mounted on a separate mount and then put onto the card base, and the other one is straightforward on the card base. Thanks for watching, take care now, bye bye.